Hello and welcome to German Lehrer, a premium way to learn Deutsch. In this lesson 2, we will learn diphthongs and consonant pair of German language to pronounce them correctly. Firstly, we will learn diphthongs or double vowels. In diphthongs, we get letter combination of two vowels. Instead of being pronounced separately, they are pronounced like one. The first diphthong is RE and AE, which is pronounced like the English word I. And the example for I is Mai, which means the month May, and I, which means egg. The second diphthong or letter combination is AU, which is pronounced like ow, ow. And the example for ow is auga, which means eye in English. Now please repeat after me. I, ow, mine, I, auga. The next letter combination is EU and AU, which is pronounced like oi, and the example for oi is Europa, which means Europe. The next letter combination is EA, which is pronounced like E, and the example for E is Z, which means you. Now please repeat after me. EU, AU, EA, I, E. Now let's have a look on grouped consonants. The first letter combination is seka, which is pronounced like the word K, and the example for seka is zuka, which means sugar. The second letter combination is seha. There are three different ways to pronounce it. The first way to pronounce it like the H in the word huge, and the example is ich, which means I. After A, O, U and AU, seha is pronounced like the Scottish loch. Here we have the example of boch, which means book. Seha is also pronounced like K when it is on the beginning of any word. For example, character, which means character. Now let's continue with next letter combination. PF, which has puff sound, and the example for PF is feared, which means horse. The next one is ku, which is pronounced like the combination of the word K and V. And the example for ku is quella, which means source. The next letter combination is sh, which is pronounced like the English letter combination of sh. In English, we have the word sheep, and in German, we have the word Schule, which means school. The next letter combination is sp, and st, which is pronounced like the English word shp and sht. We have the example of word sprechen, which means to speak, and stehen, stehen, which means to stand. Our next letter combination is T as ch, which is pronounced like the letter combination of ch in English. Here we have the example of Deutsch, which means German, and the word Tschüss, which means bye. Now the last letter combination is th, which is simply pronounced like the English letter T. We have the example of Theater, which means theater. That's all in our second lesson. Please practice properly, and if you face any problem, then feel free to ask me on the comment box. If you have missed our first lesson, then check it from the end screen and from the description. Our next and third lesson will be on personal pronoun of German language. Please subscribe and be with us. Tschüss.